Hello guys, welcome back from my channels, and today I'm going to show you how to embroider flowers. So let's get started. First of all, we need a piece of cloth with ring, scissor, pen, and a needle. So let's get in it. I'm going to draw the sketch of flower first. For the cloth I used, you can use white or black or any color. I use black because I think black makes things pop up. But if you use black, make sure you have the pen or pencils which can be seen on black. I will draw it several times to make sure that you guys can see. After that, as you can see, here is the flower. So I'm going to use the yellow one to make the center part of the flower, and then if you want the detailed one, split that into two pieces and use. Then put the thin rope in the needles, but make sure that the length is not so long or it will cause some knots while using. So make a tiny knot at the end and you can start now. So here is the little circle in the center of the flowers. I will just use some knots here. So you guys can see it. So follow the step that I'm doing now. So pull the rope tightly so it will not make the rope loose, and then keep on doing that. I will just make 4 or 5 knots that form the circle at the center. So then again, I will use the purple one to make the petals of the flower. So pull the rope out and then put back down at the top of the petals. So make sure to follow the sketch that we draw first. So keep on going up and down. That will gradually make the petals, and repeat at the other side too. So then keep on doing that. So repeat at the other side too, that you have done at the first sides. And then keep on doing the other 5 petals too at the same way. And then here you can see the flower, and I'll draw some, I don't know how to call them, but I think it's the vein that form the spirals or something like that. I drew a lot in order to show you all. Then keep on drawing. Then I will use the green one to form the veins. So I don't know how to explain, so please just follow what I'm doing in the video. So please keep on going up and down. Okay, after finishing that, repeat it on the other side of the flower too. Okay, so it's almost finished now, but I'll put some leaves to make it more realistic. Then start drawing sketch, and I will use the excess green card back. And then follow the sketch, put the needle up from the center, and then put it down back. I lose the needle because it's a bit short, so let me put it back. And then start doing the step I'm showing in the video. And I like that pattern. That pattern is really nice, and it makes the leaf more realistic, I think. And then after that, repeat that on the other side too. And here is the final results of my handmade. I hope you guys love it and easy to follow the step I made. See you back soon.